Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is about list. So in this video we'll learn access list items, change list items, add list items, remove list items, loop list, list comprehension. So let's start this. So the first one is accessing list item. So we can access list item using their index number. Indexing in Python starts from 0. So here we have created a list. So this is the list and now we'll access the elements. So suppose we want the element at the index 0, so we can print it like this. And for reverse we use negative indexing. So let's see its output. So here how we access the element. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is adding elements to the list. So for adding elements to a list, we simply create a list and we add new items to a list using append or insert method. So here we'll use both the methods. So here we are using append and similarly we'll use the insert method. So here we have used the insert method. So append adds at the end and insert adds at a specific position, and now we'll print the list. Let's see the output. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is change list item. So lists are mutable, which means we can change their values. So here we have created a list. So here we'll change the second item and now we'll print the list. So here we have changed. Now let's see the output. So here we can see the output. Now the next thing is removing items from a list. So we can remove items using remove, pop or delete method. So this removes the specific value and this removes the last item. So let's print the list. So here we can see the output. Now the next thing we'll see is looping through a list. So we can use a for loop to go through each item in a list. So let's see that. So here we have taken a list. So by using for loop we can iterate through each item in a list, and let's see the output. So here we can see the output. Now the next thing is list comprehension. List comprehension provides a short and simple way to create a new list from an existing list. So let's see how we can create. So here we have taken a list and now we'll convert the list square and we'll print the list. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output. So Python list makes it easy to store, modify and process multiple values efficiently. Understanding list operation is essential for writing clean and powerful Python program. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.